A strange bug is wreaking havoc on iOS and Mac devices. Here's how it works and how to avoid it. Beware of an odd script floating around that's capable of crashing applications running on iOS 6 and Mac OS 10.8. The script looks like this, and if you haven't seen it, it's probably best not to go looking for it. It's already been banned on Facebook, where you'll get an error message if you try to post it. Reports of the bug cropped up on 4chan, Reddit, YouTube, Twitter, and on this Russian website, which details how the bug can be spread through SMS on your phone or the Messages application on your desktop, or through browsers and certain other applications. Also, reportedly, if you change the name of your Wi-Fi network to that script, it will crash devices that try to connect to it, but you would never do that, right? The issue is with Cortext, which is a font rendering framework used in iOS and Mac OS, so the bug affects any application within iOS 6 and OS 10.8 that relies on that framework. The bug does not affect developer versions of iOS 7 or Mavericks. Our brave intern Kenny offered up his phone to demonstrate how this works on the iPhone. In Safari, if you attempt to load a web page that contains the script, it will crash that session. And by the way, if you're inclined to test this yourself, you can go to doesmyphonecrash.tumblr.com on iPhone or on a desktop, which is a page that has the script on it. You'll find that the script will in fact crash Safari, the page will fail to load in Chrome but not actually crash, and Firefox is immune. So if you're really paranoid about this evil script, you can always switch to Firefox temporarily. And of course, iOS 7 and Mavericks will be coming to the general public this fall. iOS 7 is expected in September and Mavericks later on in the fall. But in the meantime, if you have a jerk friend who texts you the script, your Messages application will crash every time you try to open it because it requires that script to load on your screen. If you receive the text while your phone is locked, your phone will crash, returning to the black screen within Apple. And the only way to resolve the issue is by waiting until you've received enough messages that it pushes the offending script further down beyond the first 6 or so messages you see when you open your app. Of course, when you scroll down to where the script is, it'll crash again, since the issue comes up whenever your phone has to load that script. So to push it even further back in the archives, you need to get your jerk friend to send you enough text to push the script down into the dark recesses of that thread, then never load it again. Alternatively, resetting the phone and restoring it from an iCloud backup or any backup that doesn't have the killer text saved will solve the problem. Either way, pretty annoying. Have you seen the script in the wild and lived to tell the tale? Let us know in the comments section below, or come by our Google Hangout this Thursday. See below for details. And on today's Soldier Tech Battlefield, it's a battle of the handheld consoles. Mark compares the PS Vita and the NVIDIA Shield. Just click the link to the left. For TFN, this is Annie.